Hi, so many of you will have watched my videos about my VW, which I recently managed to get fixed up and sold on. And you might be wondering, why did I sell it? Well, originally I picked the VW because I wanted something that could also be a day-to-day driving machine. And also because I wanted to be quite compact and able to park the vehicle anywhere that I chose to be. I like to do some hobbies or dowsing earth energies and things like this. So driving around and parking the car on the side of the road and jumping out to do something, it was one of the considerations. But I am getting older. I'm 66, in fact. And once I had spent a couple of years with the VW, nice though it was, I realized that what I really needed was something different. A, something that I, at 6'3", could stand up in without having to raise a roof. B, something that in the middle of the night, when the urge came to go to the bathroom, I didn't have to either sneak out the side and hide in the bushes or walk across a campsite to a toilet, but could actually have a toilet in the van. C, I wanted something that had a permanent bed. I got quite sick of building and dismantling the bed in the VW. Yeah, okay, it didn't take very long, but after a while, it's like, oh, do I really have to do that? Whereas with the new van, I just basically go down the back, jump in bed, and I'm all set and done. Also wanted something that was year round. The one thing that I always had issues with in the VW was the auxiliary heating. Sometimes it wouldn't work. I couldn't figure out why. It was always problematic. And I wanted something with more reliable heating. Finally, I wanted something that didn't necessarily look like a camper van from the outside, so that if necessary, I could stealth camp in somebody's street or in a car park or something along those lines. In fact, I've made a couple of videos of stealth camping in my current Sprinter. So I set out and did my research all over again. Trust me, I did my research before I bought the VW. I looked at everything. I considered a big camper van, small camper vans. I considered various makes and models and came up with the VW as the optimum solution. But after actually camping in it, experiencing it, and realizing that it was quite hard work, I decided that I needed something else. And so I contracted with a firm in Kroměříž here in the Czech Republic to customize a Sprinter van for me. And what a job they have done. I'm very, very pleased with my new solution, with my new van. I look forward to being in it at every possible moment. I sleep like a log when I'm in there, and it truly is a home from home. Furthermore, it can be used in stealth mode and people would never know. So that was why I moved from my VW to this Mercedes Sprinter. And my plan for this channel is to use the Sprinter to go to places of historical and spiritual interest and show you this beautiful landscape of the Central and Eastern European continent, as well as perhaps the odd trip into Austria and places like that. Take you along with me for the ride, give you some historical and spiritual significance to these places, and mix that up with the promise of some of the best cake you ever ate. Please do join me on my channel as I explore the places, the hidden places of Central and Eastern Europe, and search out the best piece of cake available. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, and share.